Hi mga ka-Gray! Yeah, so today is a Sunday and family day. We're going to dine at California Pizza Kitchen for our lunch. Yeah. So naka-order na kami. Show na the menu. There's the menu. So nauna yung beverage. And then alcoholic, meron din sila. Then for starters, ito, we ordered spinach artichoke dip because we love artichoke. And garlic cheese focaccia. And then we also ordered, ano ba? May sandwich ba tayo? Wala. Ayan, meron silang salads and sandwiches. Tapos here are the pasta or choices. Ayan. Nag-pasta ka ba? Noon na, di ba? Di ba tayo ng pasta? So, hindi kasi nag-ano siya, ano siya sa rice. Yeah. And then we ordered this one. These are the pizza options. Okay. And then, we also ordered this one. And wala daw chicken wings. So, maghanap tayo ng iba pa. So, there's the dessert, sweet drinks, for kids meal. And there, the party days. Konti lang ang meat nila, no? Konti lang ang meat options nila. Meat options? Yeah, may meat. Ano ba gusto mo? Wala na akong gusto. Ikaw? Ano ba mga in-order natin? Kasi parang feeling ko lang eh. Dumating yung first order namin. This is apple grapes. Artichoke dip. Oo, yung chips with artichoke dip. Sarap, artichoke. So dumating na rin yung iba pang food. So here's our order namin na formaggio truffle. And then, ito.
Focaccia. Mahaba yung name niya, but basically focaccia bread with meka.
With what?
Meka.
Ano yung mega?
Salsa.
Wow, looks good. Okay, so we're still waiting for, some more. And one more pizza.
This is focaccia with cheese.
O, try mo na yung, yung,
It is
yeah, spinach and artichoke dip. 1,000.
it's the best.
Sarap.
Yeah, this is still
Okay, so how about you? Ano yung lasa niya?
bread with cheese.
Bread with cheese, tapos lalagyan ng parang salsa.
Yeah, yung parang salsa.
Crunchy. Para ba siyang pizza?
Yung crunchy, parang cheese. Pwede mo din dito.
Ito naman. Oh, this is al 4 for Maggi plus truffle. So I can see the truffle na, ang dami oh. So hati natin sa iba. It's overwhelming eh. Ang dami. Hati natin sa iba. And I'm going to eat my pizza with my fork and knife kasi nilakad pa kami after. Kaya hindi pwedeng masira yung makeup. So dapat medyo pa-cute lang yung pagkain. So try na natin sa pizza. So this is yung bago nila. Let's try. Alright. Siyempre, ang daming truffle na nakuha ko. Look, nasunras ako yung truffle. And the crust, masarap yung crust niya. Hindi siya malambot, hindi rin siya sobrang crunchy, but perfect. Ang sarap. Try nyo to. Tumating na rin yung isa naming pizza. So this is the prosciutto. If you'll notice, ang daming prosciutto. So, ang kulang na lang namin is yung Salisbury steak.
So I'm gonna try the prosciutto pizza. So prosciutto is my favorite, so let's try it in a good sauce. Dinner. Oh, good. Ano yun? Dahon. The prosciutto is so good. Bagay sa pizza. And compared to the truffle, it's still so ang sarap bagay siya. Isa maraming lamat yan. So, really good.
And that's arugula, right? The green.
Yeah.
Sarap, no? So finally, dumating na to. Pero ang pangit niya kasi nag-slide na daw yung egg. Kasi dapat yan, nasa top siya nung Salisbury steak. Ayun. So dahil matagal talaga siya namin hinintay, sabi ulitin daw, okay na yan. Total, masisira din naman. So, baby, you try it na. You can eat there or do you want to put here na lang?
Share.
Sige lang.
You get the rice.
Ay, the egg pala. Yeah. Oops. Running.
Let's try.
Try mo na.
So it's really soft.
Soft yung ano.
Super. Ano parang burger steak? Inside is burger steak. It's not a steak ka.
Thank you. Thank you.
But like burger steak.
Yung totoo ah. Honest. It's good.
It's really good. And ano ba? It's really good.
What's the taste?
It tastes like ano, steak. It's
Steak.
a burger steak, right? It tastes like a steak.
So it tastes like beef.
And yung the sauce is good.
The gravy,
Good. It's my turn.
It's like the Salisbury steak. Try ko lang. Nothing's fine. I don't like it.
Ikaw, gusto niya?
Pero I don't like it kasi para siyang lasang smoke. Yung talagang lasa yung smoke. Parang niluto siya inside the steak. Ganun. Diba? Parang kang kumain ng galing mismo sa charcoal. Ganun. Tapos, medyo natatabangan ako. Natabang. Ayun, I don't like it. Hindi ko sa para ako. Orderin ulit. I'm honest naman, diba? Pag masarap, masarap. Pag hindi, hindi. No. Okay, so tapos na kaming kumain. O, anong masasabi mo?
Sakto lang yung food. Masarap yung pagkain, but it's not something na babalikan ko, personally. Gusto ko yung bread kasi I'm a bread lover. Yung pizza na truffle, and I too sweet for my taste. Ito, pinakapala nyo. I love this.
At choke it.
And yun, I'll rate this out of 10. Siguro mga 6 lang for me.
That's it. Ayan, so tapos na kami. Sabi ni Ted, 6 out of 10 siya. Ako naman, nagustuhan ko naman yung pizza. So, baliktad kami doon. Kasi yung truffle, talagang gusto ko siya. So, okay siya sa akin. And then, ito rin, spinach and artichoke dip. And of course, yung smoothie, yung combo, yung apple and grape. So, yung isang pizza, yung prosciutto, okay din siya. Pero mas nagustuhan ko yung truffle. Bill na bill, ang kinain namin lahat is around 4,000 something. 4,000 something? 4,2 ba? Including service charge. Out of 10, 7 ako kasi nagustuhan ko naman talaga yung pizza and I'm honest about it. Yun lang talagang Salisbury ang hindi ko talaga bet. Yun. Because of the, una yung presentation kasi syempre you wouldn't serve it like that kasi dapat kung nag-slide na, pinalitan na. Oo, pag nag-slide na. Tapos, sobrang, natutulog yung, yung burger patty, yung steak. Natutulog siya, hindi siya, malambot siya, pero hindi ko gusto yung texture. And then pangatlo, syempre the taste. Yun nga, nothing special sa taste. Tapos, lasang usok, lasang charcoal. Hindi siya yung lasa ng parang mga
Burnt, hindi ganun?
Hindi eh. Iba talaga, parang kinulog sa usok. Ayun lang. So, you can try it as well.
Ano ulit? 7 out of 10?
Yes.
At low naman. 9.
Ha?
9 out of 10. Alam ba everything?
9 out of 10. So, dahil iba-iba kami ng taste, iba-iba kami ng preference, siguro I would recommend that you try it too. Try nyo rin yung ibang mga, nila, yung ibang selection sa menu nila. Malay mo, may mas masarap pa. Okay? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching!